Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming two essentials, garden level and currency. Make sure you have level 10 and tilde 5,000 coins ready. Then, open the Bamboo Grove quest and accept the Panda event. This triggers the spawn mechanics. Once done, focus on collecting event tokens from daily tasks, harvesting bamboo plots, and completing minute challenges. Here you build your progress. You need consistent daily plays for token accumulation, so prioritize tasks that yield the highest tokens first and plan 10-15-minute sessions. Now you execute the core loop. Plant and harvest bamboo in staggered cycles so you always have plots maturing. Use fertilizer boosts when you can to shorten growth and apply 2x token coupons to the biggest harvests. This doubles progress. Once you have surplus produce, trade selectively at the market for panda shards. Aim to convert about half your excess to speed shard gains. Also, team up in co-op events to share token rewards, because cooperative bonuses stack and accelerate unlocks. As you near completion, monitor the panda shard meter closely. When it hits 100%, you can assemble the panda immediately. If you fall short, spend event shop tokens on shard bundles or use a small coin purchase to bridge the gap, but calculate value first. Once assembled, place the panda in a bamboo habitat to start passive bonuses. If progress stalls, try clearing cache, relogging, or force closing the app to refresh timers. This fixes most sync issues quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.